Beauty
You.
on the beat.
Mad Dog, AK-47. You know, it's the hood nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga finna get fresh with all my ice on me. Go to the garage and pull out my Chevy. Candy paint, riding on 24. Mad Dog new album. The beginning, you know, I am so real, you know what I'm saying? I'm beating down your block, sitting on 24. Got a bad bitch with me, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Beating down your block, sitting high on 24. Candy paint Chevy with the suicide dough. Smoking on kush, tipping on fofo. I ride with a bad hoe, and I fuck with real niggas. Beating down your block, sitting high on 24. Candy paint Chevy with the butterfly dough. Smoking on kush, tipping on fofo. I fuck with a bad bitch, and I fuck with Mad Dog. I pull up at the hood, nigga. Acting bad, I'm bumping little Boosie, that bad ass. I got a bad bitch, that's super thick. If I turn my bank up, shit fall like the World Trade Center. I never been no motherfucking beginner. My rims keep on spinning like the Arkansas Twister. Nigga mad at me cause my car change color. Playing with the weather, watch you touch my leather. Open up the door, suicide that bitch. Mad Dog got that pistol on me, you know I bust that bitch. Car chain color, like fruity pepper. Nigga mad at me, you better get your game up. Nigga riding on 20, riding 24, 26 and 28. Nigga riding on some 30. Niggas that's mad, cause they ain't glad. Car chain color, like a middle leather. Nigga, I'm acting bad. Yeah, I'm acting bad. I got a bad bitch with me, and we smoking on that Keisha. Why the nigga hate ya? See you later, hater. Nigga mad at my shit look like an alligator. Man, I'm acting bad. Man, I'm acting bad. I got 10 screens in my ride. Yo, we watching high. How you can get. Man, we getting rich. Look up at my bad bitch. I know her ass so sick. Yeah.